21 mil nut and bolt, both sides. Put a nut or something on there. Not all there is to that. Just got these 315s up top. Strut's gonna drop right through. Catch it. Usually, usually you leave a bolt on down there, but I'm just gonna reach my hand under and grab it. And right out it goes. It's that easy. Alright. Pretty simple, just gonna reverse the process. Send the strut straight up. That's the hardest part, getting these lined up. Get your nuts started. You tighten these down later. Shoot. Alright, just gotta muscle this up in here, drop the bolts back in. Not too tight on that. Just gonna drop these right in. I want to try and do both. For the bottom side, using the what we got here, like a 5mm Allen. I want to put it through a wrench so you can actually get a grip in here. You can't really fit your whole ratchet. That's what you're gonna want to do. Put it in between a ratcheting wrench. Show you up here where you can see it a little better. You know, obviously I can use a ratchet here or an impact gun, but just for demonstration, I want to show you like this. Let's get that in there. Look at that. Nice and easy. Now we go back up top, tighten these up.